semicircles and quarter circles. So here we have the formula for the area of a circle and the circumference. Semicircle is half of a circle, and quarter circle is a fourth of a circle or a quarter of a circle. And that's exactly what it means. We have our first example, we have the radius of a semicircle is 3 millimeters. So the distance from here to here is 3 millimeters. We need to find the area and the perimeter. So the area is the shaded blue part right there, everything on the inside. And the perimeter is what's in blue. It's on the outside of that semicircle. So if I know the area of a full circle is that, semicircle is half of that circle. Okay, so we will use the area for the semicircle, whatever the area of the full circle is, but half. So we're going to divide that by 2 because here I have only half of a circle. Okay, I know the radius is 3, and now we'll use 3.14 for pi. So the area is pi 3.14 times the radius is 3, squared over 2. So we will plug that in, 3.14 times 3 squared, everything divided by 2. So the area of that semicircle is 14.13 millimeters squared, because we're talking about area. So that's half of our problem right here. Now, we need to find the perimeter. The perimeter goes all the way around. So this part of the semicircle to go from here to here, that's easy to find. If this one is 3, this one is also 3. So you know we're going to have this part right here, which is the diameter or the radius plus the radius. And then if the circumference of the whole thing that goes all the way around is that formula, but I only need to use half of that circle right there. Okay, so for us to find the perimeter of that semicircle, I will use this formula, but only half of it because I only have half of a circle. And then I need to add this part right here. So you can either call it plus the diameter or plus 2 times the radius, because they gave us the radius, so might as well just use it. Okay, so here we go. So 2 times pi is 3.14, times the radius is 3, divided by 2, plus 2 times the radius, 3. You can choose to put this all in the calculator at once. The fraction, you can do alpha, that's the green button, alpha, y equals enter, and then put the whole thing in there. 2 times 3.14 times 3 divided by 2 because it's only half of the circumference, plus 2 times 3. That will give you that 15.42 millimeters. That's the perimeter. And that's the length of the go around right there. Now, if we have a quarter circle, it would need 4 of this same shape to make a full circle. Okay, so whatever the whole formula is, you're going to have divided by 4 because it's a quarter circle. So again, the area is the green part right there. So I know the area of a full circle from there, but since it's a quarter circle, I will divide that formula by 4. Okay, easy money. So here they gave us the radius is 5 meters, and I'm still using 3.14 for pi. So the area is 3.14 times the radius 5 squared over 4 because it's a quarter circle. Let's put all that in the calculator. So that is your area of this region right there. That's squared meters because we're talking area. Okay, now the perimeter. I know the radius is 5, so the distance from the center to the edge is 5. If this is 5, this is also 5. Easy. And I know the full circumference, the whole go round of that circle, it is 2 pi r. But I only have a quarter of it, so we will use this formula and divide it by 4 because it's a quarter circle. 2 pi r over 4 plus the 2 radius. One radius and another radius. 2 times r. Okay, so 2 times 3.14 for pi. The radius is 5. Divide by 4. And 2 times r right there. Put it all in the calculator. At least we don't have to do this by hand, huh? Okay, 2 times 314 times 5 over 4 because it's a quarter circle plus 2 times 5. Voila, so this is the perimeter of this quarter circle right there. Remember to put in the right units. When we're talking about perimeter, it's just meters, but if it's area, it's square meters. Do you want a challenge question? I know you do. Okay, now I have no picture, but we're smart. We can just come up with that picture right there. So the perimeter of a semicircle. So the semicircle is only half of a circle. So only half. So this is my semicircle right there. This is the center. So the perimeter, so I'm thinking about the circumference, but it's half of a circle. So whatever the circumference is from the formula, 2 pi r, I'm going to divide that by 2 because that's the formula for this semicircle. So the perimeter of a semicircle is 20.56 feet. So I know this equals 20.56 feet because they told me so. So we need to find the area. E. The area is what goes inside. That's the shaded region right there. So this whole thing right there, that's what we're trying to find, the area. Okay. Before I can do anything, I need R to find the area. So 2 times pi is 3.14 times R over 2 equals to 20.56. I can put this in the calculator to isolate R, or that's the first step to do so. 2 times 3.14 divided by 2, 3.14. 3.14 R equals 20.56. Divide both sides by 3.14. So here I have that the radius is 6 point, let's use 2 decimal places just because, so 55 feet. Okay, now I need to find the area of the semicircle. Pi r squared. I already have the radius, so 3.14 for pi. The radius 6 point,